What's up guys, for today's video we are going to look what is called an email, right? And how do we find that an email is valid or not. Okay, so for a simple understanding what is an email, so email contains three parts. Okay, so first is this username, and here comes an @ sign, then a domain, dot, and an extension. We are going to create our program using regular expression in Python, which will tell us directly that hey, this is the valid email and this is not the valid email. So here we are inside our Python. So first of all, let me import this RE module. So we are going to import this RE module. We are going to tell the user to input his email. So for this, I'm going to use say input and enter your email here. Enter your email. Then I'm going to match my pattern inside this re.search, right? I'm going to use the search function here. So I'm going to search from email, and here is a regular expression, and that's it. And if boolean match is equals to true, then it is going to tell me, okay, hey guys, now print email is valid. Okay, and else print email is not valid. So this is the basic thing, and everything we have to write is inside out this quotation. So I'm going to write here, I'm going to say A to Z, right, 0 to 9. This is for username, and a username should be followed by this @ sign, and then again A to Z 0 to 9. Okay, and this should be followed by this dot, but you have to remember that this dot is a special character and we have to use this backslash because there will not be any problem while using. And again A to Z and 0 to 9. Now this is the basic thing, but you have to remember that in any email, like there is not only one character, there are multiple characters. So I'm going to use plus sign here, so plus sign here, and again plus sign here. Now I think it's good. Now I can also give other things as well. For example, I can give him like this dot sign. This allows user to put like a dot in his extension in this like underscore, and again like this minus sign. And again I can also give him like here as well, like this minus sign and this underscore, right? And now you have to know the one thing here, that when I use this minus sign here, then this will cause a problem while using minus sign, because this minus sign defines range in our Python. So for using the minus sign we have to use this backslash, because this minus sign represents range. When I say minus, then I'm actually saying that I want to find the I can use the numbers between 9 to this underscore, from the range of this 9 to underscore. Actually it is the ASCII code from 9 to this underscore. So I have to use here the backslash so that there will be no confusion. But when I use this minus sign at the end, then I don't need to use the backslash. Okay, so it totally depends on the position. So in regular expression, position matters a lot. Okay, now let's run this program and check whether our program is correct or not. Suppose I give him like coding @gmail.com. Email is not valid. Okay, so why is the email is not valid here? Okay, now I got the point, because I forgot to put your bool here. Now I think it's fine. Let's run our program and check coding @gmail.com. Now it says me that yes, the coding is true. Now let's come up here and I'll search something like for example coding @gmail. Okay, sorry. Now I put here minus sign and ing@gmail.com. Now let's check whether this is valid or not. So for us it is valid. Okay, so for us it is valid. Let's check whether this completes our program is correct or not. Hence our program is correct, there is no any mistake. And suppose again if I check here, suppose I will give you something, I will show you something. Okay, for example I give so in our email we cannot use our space, right? So obviously we cannot use our space because I haven't mentioned this. However, when I write something here, I give the space, and then now I give my code here, my Gmail here, and when I enter this, it will show me true. But however, for us, this is not a true email because here are some of the useless characters. Okay, but our program is going to tell us that yes, this is the valid email because it only finds this much part. It neglected all of these parts, these characters. Okay, now in order to fix this problem, what we have to do is that we have to tell the Python that hey, from the start to from the beginning to end, I want my pattern. If there is anything else the left and right of my pattern, then immediately say me that this is false. Okay, so for this I'm going to use this here, this called caret sign, and this caret sign says the Python that I want my pattern from the beginning, and this dollar sign tells that this extension should be at the last, and this carry this what is called this username should be at first, and if it is not, then it's not a valid email. For example, suppose I give here something and then I give here coding.com, coding@gmail.com. Now according to us, this is not a valid. Now okay, last time it was valid, now let's check it again. Now it says me this is not valid. Okay, so that was the use of this caret and the dollar sign. Okay, now that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like my channel, then please subscribe